I'll walk through the debt repayment tracker spreadsheet to give you an idea of how to use it as you're paying off your loans. So the first thing you'll need to do is go in and select which types of loans that you want to keep track of. I have a list here, but you can certainly enter in any custom ones or just select other if you don't see yours listed on this list. As you enter the loan types that you want to keep track of, these will populate for each one of the 5 loans you can keep track of your payments on. You'll start by entering those initial balances, and then as you make your monthly payments, you'll just type in the date that you're making your payment, how much your payment's for, and then you can see over time as you're paying down your loan balances to 0. Another feature is the debt repayment calculator. So looking at that auto loan, you can say we had the initial loan of $10,000, and we'll say we have a 4% interest rate. Currently, we can see that our monthly payment's $500, so we can start with that as a starting point. And I can see how many payments am I going to have to make, how much am I going to pay in total. So I can see here I'm paying $366 of interest on that original balance. And then when am I going to have that final payoff date? And then I can go in and play around. Maybe $500 is a little more than I want to pay a month. What would happen if I paid $400 a month? And I can see the number of payments I'll have to make increases as well as the total amount I'll pay. And then it's going to take me longer to get to the final payoff date. And conversely, you can see what happens if you pay a little bit more each month. You save some money in interest, and then you end up paying off that loan a little bit quicker. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. When you open the personal budget tracker, you'll see at the top of the spreadsheet a yearly summary that breaks down your total income and total expenses by month, as well as your net income. At the bottom of the spreadsheet, throughout the year, you'll fill out your income as well as your expenses for each category. And I'll scroll down so you can take a look at all the categories included. And then throughout the year, you'll just have to enter in your actual data for each of the categories. And you'll notice that the charts are all automatically updated, as well as the totals and average for each individual section, as well as the yearly summary. And then the same thing will happen for the expense categories as well. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.